Today guys, we're here at Sulen Residences and we are about to groundbreak this property behind me. By the way guys, this is Carwin Orga, your prime properties. And this property, we're going to build here a 2-story with 3 bedrooms. So before guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, itong property sa likod ko is a 196 square meter lot area. Pinature po natin ito before sa ating YouTube channel, siguro 6 months ago, 4 months ago, nung nakita ng ating client. Kita rin tayo online, so in-assist natin sila. From Canada yung ating client, retiree, balak niya itong patayuan for retirement na for good. So nakilala lang tayo social media and then tinaransak natin lahat ng kailangan kahit siya ay nasa ibang bansa. Up to now, ngayon lang kami nag-meet ng client and kung makikita nyo yung pag-meet namin, groundbreaking na agad. So from buying a property, a lot, to transferring title, kami na rin nag-check kung clean and everything, up to groundbreaking, kami na rin po ang magpapatayo sa kanya ng property. So ganun po yung aming transaction. We are a one-stop shop here in Santa Rosa, Laguna. So yun yung aming in-offer sa aming mga clients. So that's a quick story lang naman, guys. And today, I will give you a quick glimpse ng mga ating kaganapan dito sa ating groundbreaking ceremony here at Sulen.
So again, a blessed morning everyone. Welcome to our groundbreaking ceremony.
I'm nothing without you. I came back for many years being away and I never knew and never even imagined that this is the place that you were going to provide for us from the time that we will retire from working abroad. Thank you for everybody, and ngayon sabi ko gusto ko sana magdasal dahil unang-una gusto namin ni Philip i-dedicate ang lahat ng na-acquire namin na material. This is not everything, this is not life, but this is is in Joshua chapter 24 verse 15. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. So pag nagawa na po itong bahay, meron kaming ilalagay na mezuzah and meron kaming Bible.